Greetings, fellow traders. Bowen here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Thursday, October the 22nd, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off the market here today. So SPX ended up finishing up 17 points. We were down a little bit in the lunchtime wrap. The lunchtime update. Still an upper shadow here at the upper Bollinger Band, and a little bit left in the month here. Weekly chart starting to put a lower shadow here off of that prior resistance level. Check out the daily chart. Ended up with a hammer today, just at the 8-day moving average. Is wave 4 in? Well, yeah, very possible. This could be the start of wave 5, right? So this could have been an interesting move right here, sort of impulsive move down, ABC-ish type move, and kind of, maybe. We'll see. This is a nice area for it to potentially try to work right here. Again, we want it over the cloud. We want it over the 8-day. Cloud starts drooping down right here. We got a little cloud canyon here on the daily, but let's see if we can try to get up there. We do have debates tonight, so that does tend to shake up the futures a little bit, so we'll see how that goes. Let's say with the SPY and see what kind of volume ended up coming here in the end of the day after that nice little push. Okay, not a lot of volume here, so be careful. It's a low volume fake out, but I do like how we held the 50-day moving average. I like how we closed back above this prior resistance level right here. So we'll see how we go on that one. Let's go with the S&P futures. So again, a lot of fun on this one this morning, and then some fun in the afternoon. Members caught some calls on this one too into the end of the day, which was nice. But again, our signal zones really played out really well this morning for a drop off of these levels right here, right, and then a nice dip buy on this one right at the overnight lows. Very, very key levels for this one to hold, and then boom, see ya bears, right? And then a bull flag right here to get us up to the next signal zone, which actually gave a great short opportunity right here into the end of the day. So cool stuff. Ended up being a nice day here. Strong move right here, retrace, and then up again. Let's take a look at the MES and see what kind of geometric levels we got going into tonight. So we have this one right here. We're just going to slice through it here today. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this right here. We got a level right here, which is good. Almost horizontal on that one, right? And kind of intersect this here. Now that we're above these levels right here, and kind of look and see how it handles these levels going into tonight. So that should be pretty interesting there. So the Qs. The Qs again, possibly bull flagging into tonight, so we'll see how that goes here. A little bit of a nasty pullback at the close with the rest of the market. Let's see with the IWM. Again, the banks were super duper strong today, so that really helped the IWM. And airlines were pretty strong today. Boeing was strong today, so a lot of thoughts of this stimulus finally maybe getting through somehow. So we'll see how that goes there. Apple ended up being down a little bit today, gave us some short opportunities at the open. It actually kind of looks like a bear flag going into the end of the day, so that's definitely something to keep an eye on there. Tesla just crushed on earnings and revenue and guidance, and it ended up being pulling back here into yesterday's range. So a little bit blah there on this one here, but let's see how it holds. Tomorrow's Friday, and maybe Tesla was a little bit of IV crush and some premiums a little bit cheaper. Might actually be fun to trade tomorrow again, so that could be a good one too. Other than that, guys, some of the big ones that we pointed out today in the group was AMD, right? So AMD was a nice dip buy at the opening, and one of our members pointed this one here too. Also gave a sharp reversal, but another big dip buy here off this inside 5 to work its way back up, higher low, and kind of work its way up too. So we got Intel reporting tonight. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. And AMD often moves in sympathy with that one, or sometimes inverse to it. So as some of our members have analyzed. But beautiful move on JP Morgan today, guys. We pointed this out early today. I pointed it out to in the public Twitter feed too. I said, hey, bank's strong. Right, big move this morning here. Can catch a nice little piece of this right here. Bull flag to work its way back up again. And then at this point right here, these are just kind of retraces. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Stops right here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it basically just finished a total 5-wave up here today. So great work on JP Morgan today. Let's take a look, see how it looks on the daily candle. Yeah, nice move there and right to the 200-day moving average. You can't really ask much more out of JP Morgan in a day, so that was a nice one there. We got Intel reporting tonight. So it looks like it's down a little bit here. Let's take a look here at the lower term time frame. Yeah, that's not so good right now on Intel, but let's take here, if we go to the daily chart, where does that put us? If we're down at 48, that's the weekly. If we're at 48, yeah, oh boy, that puts us all the way back down in this congestion. And all that work to try to get into that gap right there. And back to earnings. It was down on earnings last time. Now it's back on earnings again. Wow. So we'll see how that goes on that one. But anyway, from there, let's take a look. SPCE is the one we got on the kind of the short radar going into tomorrow. I do like the inside day right here. This could give could turn out to be a pause day for tomorrow, and then we might see some fresh downside movement on that one. And then DKNG, you get asked about this one a lot. A couple good things on this one. It did put in a hammer today. It's holding on at the top of the cloud right here. If we can get above that, right, we got the 8-day above, 50-day, nice little bow tie right there. We can see if we get there. Otherwise, watch out for the symmetrical move here back below the cloud, and then maybe some sideways action until earnings. So we'll keep an eye on that one. But other than that, guys, great job today. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your evening. We'll catch you guys on the free YouTube live stream later at 7:30. Until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.